Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In today's episode we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Olivia Rose Designs, and it's cup number Cup 1114628_104-105. And it's called the Scalloped Shaped Pocket Card Christmas. You get 5 sheets in the kit, and you're going to make a card and a matching envelope from the kit. There's the card front, the inserts, there's decoupage layers and the envelope. So I'd like to run through the 5 sheets that you get, and then we'll go ahead and make not only the card but the envelope as well. So the first sheet that you get is the actual front of the card and the poinsettia, which is part of the decoupage layers. The second sheet is the insert and one of the tags that you get for the front pocket. The third sheet are the layers of the decoupage, the tags and the actual front of the decoupage front, the pockets as well. The fourth sheet is part of the envelope, and the fifth sheet is also part of the envelope and the poinsettias for the decoupage. Now we're going to go ahead and make the envelope. So I've cut out the 2 pieces of the envelope. So this is the envelope front and this is the envelope back. So what I've done is I've already scored and folded along the edges of the envelope back. I'm going to turn the envelope back so that it's pattern away from me. The envelope front, again, I've scored and folded the bottom section. I've also got double-sided tape along the bottom section. I am going to turn the bottom flap in and add this to the bottom of our envelope. I'm going to match up the edges like so and attach the section so then it all becomes one. So when you look at it from the other side, it's like that. I'm then going to fold the front towards myself, but I'm going to fold the 2 sides in. I'm going to take a bone folder to make sure they are just nice and flat, and you can see I've already added tape on the edges. So I'm just going to pull a little bit of the tape away and make a little wing so it just folds out, leaving part of the tape still protected but only a small section sticky. I'm then going to fold the envelope front over and then marry up the edges just on one side, and when I'm happy it's in the right position, I am then going to start pulling the tape away. And then as I pull the tape away, run my finger along the edge to stick it down. I'm then going to do exactly the same at the other side, press it down, and then once I'm happy, start pulling the tape away and press it down as I go until I get to the top. Then I'm going to use my bone folder again just to make sure the top crease of that envelope is nice and sharp. And then if you're going to post this, I would recommend you use extra adhesive just on the top flap to obviously make sure you've got a nice strong seal. So that's our envelope all ready to go with our card. Now we have the actual card outside, and I've scored and folded it along the edge. I've then taken the insert as well that I've scored and folded along the edge. I've got flat adhesive tape on the back of the large section of the insert, and I'm going to add the section to the inside of our card. So I'm going to peel away the adhesive like so, the adhesive carrier sheet I should say. I'm then going to hold the insert and have my little pinky finger poking out so that I can butt the fold to the crease without it sticking down until I'm happy it's in position. And when I'm happy it's in the right position, I can then flatten it and fold the front over and press down. That way that section of the insert is now in place. I'm also going to stick the other side down of the insert. I've got just one small piece of double-sided tape. I'm going to fold that flat and I'm going to fold the outside of the card over like so. I'm then going to take my bone folder to make sure I've still got a nice sharp crease along the edge, so that when I open it, it's as if it's a double-sided card. So it's all in place now. So now I can start building the front of our card. Now the first layer that I have for the card front is the patterned red snowflake layer. To make it into a pocket, I've added double-sided tape along two of the edges. I haven't put 3D foam on this layer, just flat double-sided tape. I'm going to peel away the back of the carrier sheet of the tape and then just position this on the front of my card. And I'm just going to add it, I would say, to the corner and press it down. Now, because I've only got double-sided tape on two of the edges, it creates a pocket in the centre. So that will be one of my pockets. Now my second pocket is going to come from the next layer. Now on the back of this layer, I've added 3D foam, again, just along two sides. I've just put 2 dots on the leaves that poke out, but I've left the bulk of the section with nothing. But I put the 3D foam on the back of the leaves just to keep it from flopping rather than anything else. So I've added the 3D foam and I'm going to add this over our previous layer into the corner. And once it's in position, press that down. So we can see that there's a section in there as well for a pocket. So now I've cut out the tags. There's 3 tags, and you can either slip them in to the pockets into position where you want them and leave them loose, or you can add a little bit of tape on the back and you can just slip them into the pockets and press down so that they will just stay in there. You could add a little bit of 3D foam if you wished to give it a little bit of depth. I'm happy just to have them at different angles. And then the third one I'm going to add into the decoupage pocket like so and press it down. And then we can build the decoupage of the poinsettias at the bottom. I've got 3D foam on the back. I've cut out all the poinsettias and I'm simply just going to layer up the image layer by layer So that's 3 of the poinsettias. Next it's 2. Again, 3D foam on the back. And build up the image to, helps if we get it the right way around. And there we go. Build up those poinsettias. Final one, 3D foam on the back. There we go, press it down. And that is our scalloped shaped pocket card. So when we open it, we've got our gorgeous insert, we've got our back of the card, and we've got the gorgeous front with the decoupage, and our coordinating envelope as well. Such a beautiful kit. I'd like to remind you of the cut number. It's by Olivia Rose Designs, and you can search for any of Olivia Rose's designs by going to the Craftsuprint website. And the cut number for this kit is cup 114628 underscore 104105. And I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.